Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick vehicle walk-around tour of this 2018 Bentley Bentayga Black Edition that we have for sale. This comes in a almond exterior and has a burnt oak leather interior. Show you a few of the exterior details, and we'll hop inside and show you the interior here. Bentley badging throughout. Beautiful front grille. Bentley even in the headlights there. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. All leather interior, memory seats, power seat controls and lumbar support. More Bentley badging. Sunroof, and our steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and hop inside. And this 2018 model has 32,854 for mileage. Do have a push button ignition. Alright. So here is our display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Of course, there's several different camera modes. You can flip through here. Super helpful. And below that we have climate controls here. Heated and ventilated seats. And here's our Bentley shifter. There's that ignition, which also has controls for switching between different traction modes. We've got our Bentley key. Alright, go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this Bentley here, just reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have, walk through any of the features that we didn't cover here today. Rear climate control. Another quick peek back up front. Just reach out to us on our website if you have any questions or want to even set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com. Got a power opening and closing trunk. Trunk covers and some new mats here for you. And push button to close. So once again, just reach out if you have any questions and learn more about this 2018 Bentley Bentayga Black Edition. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com.